So eto na nga, nag-apply ka na, nag-ready ka na, natanggap ka na ng client sa Upwork, ngayon hindi mo alam paano mo kukunin yung sahod mo. Let's talk about Upwork real quick here. Hi, Mary here, and everyday nagpo-post ako ng bagong videos na pwede nyo sundan, some sort of roadmap kung gusto nyo na maging freelancer, virtual assistant, or gusto nyo na mag-work from home gamit ang computer at internet. I often recommend Upwork, lalong-lalo na sa mga baguhan, but make sure na naka-hourly contract kayo. Kasi sa Upwork, may dalawang klase ng contract. May fixed at saka may hourly. Yung fixed kasi, kapag yung kinuha nyo is yung fixed, unless i-approve ni client na i-release yung payment sa inyo, hindi i-release sa inyo at hindi siya covered ng Upwork. Now, kapag hourly contract naman na nakuha ninyo, automatic kapag sinendan kayo ng offer, i-accept nyo lang yung offer and nakalagay na rin doon kung kailan magsisimula yung contract. Now, the thing about Upwork is meron silang wait time. I think kapag top rated ka, makukuha mo yung sahod mo the following Friday. So, halimbawa, nag-work ka Monday hanggang Friday this week. Merong Saturday, Sunday na off. The following week, next Friday, makukuha mo na yung sahod mo. And then, syempre, kung weekly yung sahod mo, edi weekly din dadating. Now, if kayo ay hindi top rated, makukuha niyo yung sahod is Wednesday after 2 Wednesdays. So halimbawa, let's say nag-work ako last week, Monday to Friday. Nag-off ako ng Saturday, Sunday. So this week hindi ko pa makukuha yung sahod na yun, next week pa. Now, kung hindi kayo ganun ka-familiar dun sa cycle ng payroll ng Upwork, i-check, i-google nyo na lang, nandun din yung sa guide ng Upwork. Meron namang Upwork guide. Kung gusto niyo makita yung guide ng Upwork, i-comment nyo na lang Upwork guide para gawan ko na lang ng separate video yung Upwork mismo. But sa Upwork, magse-setup ka ng payment method. So, pwede mong i-connect yung iyong PayPal, pwede mong i-connect yung bank accounts mo. Ako, I use for Upwork, I actually connected yung, I think nandun yung dalawang account ko, like BDO and Union Bank. Parang mas mabilis pumasok sa Union Bank. But I'm not sure kung iba na ngayon ng onte kasi hindi naman ako masyado nang tumitingin ng comparison. Dati kasi usong-uso yung comparison na, oh, BPI pumasok na. Dati gano'n. Hindi na siya gano'n ngayon kasi kokonti na lang yung difference. Pero pag kinonek mo yung bank account mo, pagkatapos araw na ng sahod, pag click mo ng withdraw, automatic ipapadala na yun sa bank account mo. Tapos, it only usually takes maybe, Union Bank kasi minsan 4 hours, minsan 2 hours, minsan naman 12 hours. Yung ibang banks, alam ko, minsan kinabukasan pa dumadating. Pero pag click mo ng withdraw, automatic ipapadala na yun sa bank account mo. Mawi-withdraw mo na siya. Again, that's for hourly ha. Kasi iba pa rin yung pag-fix. Pag fixed, kung wari pinadala sa, nirelease ng certain day, meron lang ilang araw, tapos makukuha mo na yung bayad. I hope this helps. Any questions you guys have about working from home, follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!